All right. Gotta get Keiko. Not Koa, because he will eat the fast one. Come on, bud. Let's do it. Okay, let's go over here so Koa doesn't hear us as much. Hey, Kai. Kai.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, Liam, push it. Keiko, get it. We got about a half-charge battery, I would say. I was driving it with my father-in-law. We were driving one of the Amazon cars we got for free, and I smashed into it with this because we were playing tag, and it completely destroyed it. The Soyi S something, I can't remember the name. All right, let's see if we got enough juice to do some wheelies. We got the new, oh geez, Kai's getting feisty. Get it, Kai, get it, get it. Oh, I should probably, oh! Liam, can you go fix it? I got the new Steel Gear Traxxas servo in here because from the last run we completely wrecked the stock one. Seems to be working well. See how long it lasts. Whoa! Oh, trash can. Oh my gosh, that was close. This thing has some range. Check this thing out. Just go all the way down to the end. Liam, stay out of the street. All right, we'll bring it back. Does not seem like it's going as fast as it usually does. Not having a fully charged battery shouldn't affect that because it's a LiPo, but it's cruising. All right, let's bring it back up here, buddy. Whoa! Uh-oh. The fan doesn't sound very good. Let's see if you guys can. No, it's working. So I hosed this thing off after the mud run, and then I ran it one time besides this, and it seemed like it was doing all right. Okay, bud, give it a push. We're breaking this thing in, getting ready for the X-Max. As soon as I pony up the dough to get it. Woohoo! Liam loves it. See if we got any slick road here. Oh yeah. Sometimes I regret that when it catches an edge and completely flips. Let's try that again. Here we go. See if I'll regret this. Yep. Oh, yep. It was going straight for this car. I stopped it with my leg. I hope the GoPro got that. Oh, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. Kai, get out of the road. Okay, that definitely was almost a catastrophe. Maybe let's not do that anymore. Push it. We got some traction out here. We got to be careful. Kai, get it. Kai, go get it. Get it, Kai. Get it. Get it, Kai. Get it. Get it. Oh, Kai's getting some speed, huh? Oh, get it, Kai. I feel like he only chases it when it's by us, like he's trying to get it away from us. Kai, get it. It's gonna get Liam. Kai, go get it. There we go, buddy. Problem with running it with this short a space is you get going way too fast and you can't keep your eyes on it. Get it, Kai. All right, this is good Kaiko exercise. Get it, Kai. There's no way he could ever catch this. Koa would have this thing in a million pieces by now. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, please, no. Go, 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 go. Turn, turn, evasive maneuver. Okay, he's already killing it. Who votes we run the Hoss versus Koa? I vote no because I don't want this body ruined. The body on the Stampede, I bought it brand new. I did a test run. I wasn't filming it against Koa and he got it fast and just dented up already. Brand new $40 body, wrecked. So that's pretty sad. He just gets so violent. Liam, you need to go fix it. Liam loves to go fix it. Look at that form. He's gonna be a runner. Whoa, look at that car. You got it, buddy. You got it. Good job. Oh, should we get some bunny hops? I don't think I've recorded bunny hops yet. Hopefully I have enough battery. All right. Yeah! Ah, come on. There we go. There we go. We got to get a wheelie and then hit it. Yeah, we're jumping. There we go. You get a wheelie, and then you just hit the brakes. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good one. Woo! Heck yeah. This thing's a beast. Coming along. Yeah. I gotta get a smooth one. Say you're coming here and you just do a little, oh! Well, that's what it looks like when you hit the brakes in midair. Push it, buddy. All right, so there's a few bunny hops for you guys. I gotta get one more good one. Come on. All right. There's a few bunny hops. That's cool, huh, bud? Want to push it? It's always sketchy not knowing if there's traffic coming. We got a car pulling out. Let's go over here. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey. Keiko's like, stop driving that thing. I hate it. Woohoo. Hi. You okay? Oh my goodness, it's throwing the little dirt clods everywhere. Oh, Kai thinks he's gonna get it. It's launching those dirt clods. Uh-oh, Liam, you need to go fix it. Dads out there, if you don't have RC cars, you should get them. Because your kids will love it. Liam's loving this. Wheelie? Wheelie? Liam calls them wee-wees. What do you want, buddy? A wee-wee? Oh my goodness. Wheelie. Yeah. Woo! Should we do a bunny hop on the grass? Nice. Bunny hop off this. Bunny hop up this. Oh! That was crazy. Up isn't as good because it endos like that. Can you fix it, please? But if you're doing it down, that actually works out. Let's do one down this grass hill. Push it, buddy. Whoa. Oh, I got an idea. Ooh. Oh, that was awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was crazy. I'm just asking to destroy this thing if I keep this up. Oh, it bottomed out. The suspension was all the way down. Oh, shoot. Dad's got it. That is pretty cool. Let's do some speed runs with some turns. That's so cool. Thing handles very well. Oh yeah, the battery's totally dead. This thing cuts power pretty hard because it isn't full lipo cut off yet, but you can definitely feel the loss of power. One more time, I think we'll head in. Kai? let's bring it back. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay. This random video of us out here just goofing around. Make sure you like and subscribe to help support us, to help Liam and I get an X-Max someday. Huh, Liam? Can you say X-Max? Yeah, we'll get one someday. We appreciate you guys being here, and we will see you in the next one. Wheelie? Want another wee-wee? Oh, there's the cutoff right there. Oh, it's completely cut off. To the point it's not gonna move anymore. It's saying nope. Can you turn it off, bud? Turn it off. Good job, buddy. Was that fun?
Wanna go Jeep?
Wanna go Jeep?
Wanna go Jeep? Wanna go Jeep?
We can go Jeep in another day. Give me 5. That's it. That was awesome.